If you want to receive battery notifications like this,
"Hey buddy, your battery is very low. Please charge it."
then you're in the right place, as in this video I will show you how you can set those up along with some other very cool shortcuts and automations. So I'll just start off. I'll tap on the automations tab and I'll select new automation. Okay, and we'll look for battery. Okay, battery level, this one, we'll tap on it. At the top we have the slider bar, so we'll just adjust the battery level. Okay, we'll go to 10% and we'll select false below. And at the bottom, we'll select run immediately. So we do not want any prompt to confirm. Okay, we'll select next. So the automation is now waiting for us to select an action when the above condition is met. So in this case, we'll go for speak text. And over here, you can just type in anything that you want your phone to say when the condition is met. So we just type in, "Hey buddy." Okay, battery level is very low. Please charge it immediately. So when the above condition is being met, you hear a lady voice that articulates this whole sentence that you've just typed in. As far as I know, right now it's just for English. I've not tried it in other languages. Okay, so I finished typing this. And I'll just select all and copy because I want to add an additional action on top of this. So we just tap on the search bar below and we'll look for show notification. The purpose of having it is so that on top of the audio that you're going to receive, you also see a visual alert that your battery level is low and you need to charge. So in this case, we're going to remove this text here and we'll just paste in the same text that we are seeing above. Okay, so now we have both actions being created. We'll just run it. We'll just tap on the play button over here.
"Hey buddy, battery is very low. Please charge immediately."
There you go. So we have this complete set of actions when the above criteria is being met. Okay, now we'll just head back and double check on the entire flow of this automation. We'll just tap on this. Okay, so it runs immediately and the criteria is being set and the specific action that we saw earlier has been set also. Okay, so now moved on to the next automation where we'll see how we can send messages when we leave a particular place. Okay, I'll just add a new automation and then we'll select leave. Okay, and we'll select an location over here. We'll just look for Seoul Station. So take it as an example of our workplace over here. Okay, I'll just type that in and we'll select it. Okay, I'll tap on done. Okay, so our location has been confirmed. Over here, you can set the time range if you want. For now, we'll just go with any time. And we want it to run immediately. We don't want any confirmation. Okay, in this case, the action that we're going to take, we're going to select the new blank automation. And we'll select send message. So when we leave Seoul Station, we want to send a particular text message. Over here, you just type in the message. Okay, I just left work and I'm on my way back home. So this is what you can type in. So this is unlike the previous automation where we have a audio output. Over here, we are just sending a message as the final action. Okay, I'll just finish up this and we'll proceed to select the recipient over here. So we'll look to our contacts, we'll select Linda. Okay, we'll tap on done. So the action has been completed over here. We can just select done over here and we can test this out. Okay, I'll select the action and I'll tap on the play button here. So the first time you may have some issues, just try it again. Okay, let's proceed to our messages app to see if the message has been sent. Okay, there we have it. The message is there. It's being addressed to Linda. I'll just delete this. Okay, I'll hit the delete icon here. So this automation is especially useful if you need to track the whereabouts of your loved ones or family members. Okay, so now I'll proceed on to the final shortcut. So instead of an automation, this is a shortcut that needs manual trigger. Essentially what I want to do is we're going to put in a list of completed tasks and then we'll send it over to our boss. We'll just create a new shortcut in the shortcut tab and we'll select the search action. And we'll look for the input field. Okay, we'll select this one. So over here, there's a prompt that we need to enter. We just type in, what are the tasks that we have completed today. If you notice, there is a text word at the top. So this means that this action actually requires us to type in a text. It is expecting a text and not something else. Okay, so we are done with this ask for text. Okay, right now we'll just go for a text box. We are just going to join in some of our template. So in this case, it's hi boss, I've completed the following tasks. Okay, I'll just type that in. So this remains standard throughout. There is no variation in this. The variation will only come in later on. Okay. So let's also put in the date for today. You can just look for current date over here. Okay, we'll select this. And now just put in the close brackets. Okay, so right now we're just going to put in the inputs that we got from the top. So we just select this variable. Okay, so we are almost done. We'll just end off with thanks at the bottom. Okay, let's just type this in. Okay, so we are done with this text that we are going to send to our boss. So there is one additional step which requires us to configure the send message action. So right now we're just going to input that. We just look for send message. Okay, there is the first one. So we just use the output. Okay, and then we select the recipient over here. In this case, we just tap the plus icon and you look for boss. Okay, we are done. If you do not want any confirmation, you can just tap on this and turn this off. So your shortcut will just run as it is. It won't actually show you the preview of the message. Okay, we'll just test this out. We'll tap play. Okay, we just type in what we did at work. So I'll just go for something simple, some reports. Okay, so you can type in as long as you want. There is no word limit over here. Okay, in this case, we also contact the supplier. We just tap on done over here. Okay, so same as before, we have this issue when we first run the shortcut. It's okay. We can just go ahead and try it out again. It usually happens on the first time. Okay, we just finish up this text here. Okay, we'll just tap on done. And the message is being sent now. Let's head over to our message app. Okay, I'll tap back here and there you go. We have this message here sent to our boss. So this is how you actually merge the standard template along with some variable inputs that you are going to provide to the shortcut. Okay, so that is all for our tutorial today. I'll just tap on done over here and we have the shortcut being created. So I'll see you again in the next video.